Hey guys, we're showing you the WYZE Cam V4. It's a 2.5K HD Wi-Fi smart home security camera. So both indoor and outdoor use, and this is a waterproof as well with a two-way audio, color night vision, and it can attach through Alexa and everything. So there is a wired camera. So let me just take out everything in the unboxing first and then show it to you. So this have this adapter because this is a wired one. So the power supply thing. So this is the main camera. So they have this version 4, and I used version 2 and 3 before as well. So this have a certain increase in their quality of video. So let me just test, and this have the inbuilt light as well. So like a spotlight. So that is a good addition from version 3, where we have to put an extra light. Rest the shape and size is almost similar to the V3 with this magnetic base. And this is the micro SD card slot that you have to put in your own 32 GB or 64 GB card in here for the local storage, and then a reset button on the side. So say like you need to put in your memory card in here. So once you add in your memory card, you will just plug in with the wire stuff. So this is a micro USB cable attachment, and that comes with it. You can also use a different cable if you want a long thing, and then goes to the power adapter. So installation is pretty easy with their WYZE app, and you can also, of course, choose to have a subscription if you want. So the light is on, and it will ask you to connect like based on their app. So with the app, you just add and then choose the camera, V4 camera. It will ask you about all different things. There is a setup button that you have to press. So once you press this setup button, it will ask you to use this, and then just follow the instruction. And once this is all done, the camera will be connected, and you can see the quality. So the images are a little better than the V3 that I can see, and of course you can zoom in. And this also have the color night vision. That is good. So you can just easily put in the night, and you can have a full like the color vision. So these are the magnetic stuff that you can put to install the camera as well. So it's pretty nice camera.